Welcome lovies. So for today's video is another see-through mesh panty. If you're interested to see what's the very detail of this panty, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome lovies. So we got another sexy panty out here. As you can see, it is an apple green color, and the very detail of this panty is this embroidery peach design. Sarap kainin ng laman ng panty na to. Alright, the material used in this panty is a mesh. Look at that very nice mesh material. Very soft. And look at that stitch. Perfect. Nice. And hindi siya nagmumukhang murahin. And it has a doubled cloth in the front. This part right here is a cotton that is perfect for the private area. And at the back detail is this one. Very plain see-through. Very soft. Very comfortable to wear. I think this is not itchy. This material is not itchy. Very see-through. Look at that. Very nice and see-through. And this part right here, the stitch is very nice. Very perfect. And yeah, very nice. Recommended. This is so very affordable. You can purchase it in an online store like Shopee. You get a lot of very sexy lingerie. Any of the online store you love to shop. So this is our panty for today's video. Hope you like it, and please do subscribe for more sexy panty haul, and see you na lang in our next video. Bye!